G-TEC Group of Institutions is an ISO 9001-2015 certified global IT education network with its corporate office in Singapore with 500 plus centers. G-TEC established in the year 2001 by setting up training centers in all the major countries like Singapore, India, USA, UK, Bahrain, Mexico, Iran, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Indonesia, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Africa. G-TEC Group of companies have its subsidiaries, namely G-TEC Computer Education, GTES G-TEC College for Advanced Studies, G-SMART Academy, G-TEC Virtual University. G-TEC has alumni of around 2 million and onboard student strength of about 1,100,000. G-TEC Computer Education, imparting IT education in all the divisions of information technology, software, multimedia, hardware and networking, finance and management, CAT SOCAL, G-English and G-Mobile are also incorporated to cater the needs of the students. GTES, G-TEC College for Advanced Studies, conduct UG and PG courses with ICT-enabled programs coupled with internationally recognized university programs. G-SMART Academy, highlighting the concept of Power Tomorrow. It is a complete career workshop for students, helping them find their best. Cognitive learning programs, Tactivities, Career Plus Foundation and advanced programs are all part of its quiver. Bringing world-class learning experience to your fingertips. G-TEC Virtual University, Software Engineering, IT Security, Multimedia, Accounting and Business Management, Banking, Logistics, Leadership and Soft Skill courses, Global Standardized Content, most updated syllabi, Ask Your Expert option, Placement Assistance and more. Jobs Bank is a CSR initiative along with the objective of global placement. It helps in organizing job fairs, recruitment drives for availing the right jobs for the deserving students, and it truly connects with our motto of making professionals globally. This is completely for public. Alliances of G-TEC, associating with renowned certification bodies like Microsoft, Adobe, SAP, ACCA, IBM, IAB UK, ICDL, EC Council, IIBI, Interlingue and Tally. We help our students to stay truly global. G-TEC continues its eventful voyage by transforming the lives of students through quality education worldwide.